Which forest-dwelling animal is the only living relative of the giraffe? The answer is okapi. Did you know? The okapi is native to the Ituri rainforest in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and was unknown to the Western world until 1901. What is the anatomical name for the entryway of the nasal cavity? The answer is vestibule. Did you know? The nasal vestibule is the most anterior part of the nasal cavity, lined with skin and containing hairs that filter out large particles. Which specific membrane separates the lens from the vitreous body in the eye? The answer is hyaloid. Did you know? The hyaloid membrane is a posterior boundary of the lens that separates it from the vitreous humor of the eye.